Hello everyone. Today we're looking at the NeonScalper AA. It's an MT5 expert advisor focused on gold USD on the M15 time frame. Its price is at $150 and the seller is already floating the usual only a couple. The cup is left before it jumps to 450 line, as you can see here. Well, let's break it down properly. The developer, Jorge Luis Guimaraes, they are Aurelio Diaz from Brazil. Pardon me if I didn't pronounce his name well. But before we dive into the EA today, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Let's get back to the EA. First, what does the developer actually claim this thing does? According to the MQL5 product page for the NeonScalper, it is a breakout based scalping strategy built specifically for gold on the 15-minute time frame. A seller stresses that it does not use martingale or grid trading and does not use any high risk recovery method. The entries are described as smart breakout entries that look for high probability levels. The risk management is automatic, as it is lot size is calculated from account balance and the stop loss distance. There's also a trailing stop to lock in profits once the trade moves in the right direction. And the trading hours are adjustable, so you can keep it out of the quiet periods if you want. The page keeps repeating the safe and stable message and recommends a stable, low spread account, preferably ECN or STP brokers accounts, plus a VPS for best results. After you buy the EA, you are told to message the seller for the set file. And that's pretty much the entire public description. No long list of indicators, no multi-time frame magic, no AI claims. Just breakout scalping with risk control. Now before we get into the backtesting, let's look at the recommended settings. We have simple gold USD, time frame M15, minimum capital of $100, and default settings optimized. Let's go into my back trade test and see how it actually performs. Now if you see on my simple gold USD on the M15 time frame, a 1 year test from June 2025 to June 2026. It's every tick based on real tick. Now, the EA produced a total net profit of about $32,706 in profit. Gross profit 43,000, gross loss 10,000. Our profit factor came to about 4.15, which is good, better than most EA, to be honest. Our win rate, let's go to that, is at 80%, and our loss came to about approximately 20%. Now, recovery factor, if you look at our recovery factor, it was at 5.85, as you can see here. Now moving forward to the equity curve. And before we move to the equity curve, we have our drawdown at 31% approximately for the balance, and equity maximum 31.42%, relatively high. Now the equity curve, it shows a generally rising line with a couple of noticeable dips like here, Yeah, overall, the biggest one taking it down about $5,500 at the beginning. Before recovering, expected payoff per trade was around $240. Oh, does this compare with what the developer claimed? Let's check it out. The developer claimed a cover factor of 2.72. Ours was slightly higher. But why they hid their initial deposit? Okay, see our initial deposit here, $100, and a net profit of 2 million, which is relatively high, way higher than mine. Profit rate of 92%, way higher than mine. So you can see theirs it looks a bit exaggerated. Looking at the drawdown, they show a minimum drawdown, maximum drawdown of 9%, 9.7% for equity. Ours was higher with 2 digits. So what is the realistic take? On historical data, the numbers look strong, high win rate, solid profit factor, and a clean trade count with no signs of greed or martingale. The 31% drawdown is a part you have to respect, as in life conditions with real spread and slippage, that number can easily stretch. Now the live signal, the seller link is no longer available. I'll show you here. No longer available, which is something to note. Overall, this looks like a straightforward breakout scalper that relies on a high win rate to overcome the inverted risk reward. It may suit traders who already understand goals behavior, can run a proper low spread setup, and are comfortable sitting through 30+% equity swings. It's probably not ideal if you are looking for a very low drawdown or set and forget simplicity. And now is the honest picture, folks, based on the developer's claim and the historical test data. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment with the next EA you want me to review. And like I always say, don't forget to grab that free robot from the link in the description. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.